Hello, my name is Elena Castelló. I'm a physics and chemistry teacher, and I'm going to explain the activities that I prepare. The first activity is matter and antimatter. This activity is for students between 17 and 18 years old. The terms that they will learn are matter, antimatter, dark matter, atom, disintegration, gluon, neutrino, quark, boson, and radioactive particle. The didactic resources that they will use are computer with internet, the Padlet platform, and a video camera and 2 videos. It's a collaborative activity, and first they will watch 2 videos. What's the smallest thing in the universe? And what is dark matter? Second, they will make a list with the particulars cited in these videos. Third, they will search the main characteristics of these particles. Fourth, they will investigate the relationship between particle physics and the Big Bang theory. And 5, they will build a digital wall using Padlet platform. This platform allows them to work in groups. It also allows them to share text, videos, pictures. They could use it to show the relationship between different concepts. And they upload a personal video with a conclusion that this research. The second activity is the characteristics of the forces. This activity is for students between 14 and 15 years old. The terms that they will learn are electric charge, electric field, electromagnetic field, magnetic field, electromagnetism, gravitation, gravity, and force. The resources that they will use are a computer with internet, PowerPoint presentation, a video camera, electromagnetic coil, moving coil, magnets, multimeter, a compass, iron filling, a dynamometer, a weight, good garment, and balance. This activity is a research in group of 4 students. First, they look for the property of one of the following forces: gravitational, electric, magnetic, or electromagnetic force. Second, they will design experiences to check the characteristics of their force. Third, in the physics labs, they will carry out the designed experiences. For using a PowerPoint, they will explain the characteristics of the force. 5, they will prepare a questionnaire with 10 short questions about their force, and finally, individually, they will answer a questionnaire of the examination. Speaking about pupils, the pupils are in their teens, so they have the typical characteristics of these states. They manage well with ACT tools, but they have problems to express themselves correctly, both orally and in writing, because they have the habit to copy and paste the information that they found without reading. And in general, they have problems to select the most appropriate and reliable sources of information. Speaking about the objective of these activities, the first activity has the objectives like describe the atomic and nuclear structure in quarks and electrons, compare the main unification theories, and characterize the fundamental particles. Third, analyze the history and the composition of the universe, relating the properties of matter and antimatter with the Big Bang theory. 4, collaborate and communicate to build a collective product by sharing digital content and selecting appropriate ACT tools. And finally, create and edit digital contents with an aesthetic sense. The second activity has their own objectives. 1, relate forces to the effects that they produce. 2, relate the force of gravity between two bodies with their masses and the distance that separates them. 3, explain the characteristics of the electrical force. 4, plan experiences to test the relationships between electric current flow and magnetism. 5, reproduce the Ørsted and Faraday experiences in the lab. 6, produce a report using an ACT tool. And 7, participate in work teams to achieve common goals by assuming different roles. To final, I will explain the instrument that I will use to grade these activities. I will use a cooperative learning rubric, a PowerPoint or Padlet rubric, an oral presentation rubric, self and peer assessments, and in the second activity I also use an exam. And that's all for now, and thank you.